I love how something so simple can completely transform a space, and these self adhesive metal backsplash tiles did just that for my kitchen. They give such a nice modern look without the hassle of traditional tiles. No grout, no mess, just peel and stick. Installation was super easy. I measured the area, made sure the wall was clean, then placed each tile exactly where I wanted. Once you remove the backing, the adhesive is strong, so it's best to plan your layout before sticking them on. One of my favorite things is how easy it is to clean. Whether it's grease, dirt, or everyday splatters, I just wipe it down with my all purpose cleaner and it looks good as new. I use mine behind my stove, and even with the heat, there's no buckling, wear, or fading. It still looks flawless. Plus, it's water resistant and it doesn't rust, making it perfect for the kitchen and bathroom use. For me, it's the perfect temporary upgrade until I remodel my kitchen, but honestly, it looks so good that I could keep it even longer. If you want a stylish, affordable, and easy to install backsplash that is also easy to clean and maintain, this is a great option. Such a simple way to refresh your kitchen space or any space without committing to permanent tiles. Highly recommend.